Alright, now let's talk about the next bug, which is SQL injection, login form and user. So just go ahead and select it from here, and we have given a simple form. If I click on login with my credentials, debug, it says welcome B and how are you today, and your secret is any bug. So let's intercept this request and play around with this to see what's going to happen if we change something here. So if I intercept this, we got bWAPP pop up. Now let's send this to repeater and let's make some changes to the credentials. So here we have two parameters, which is the post request. So the parameters are right here. Let's change the login, which is actually the username. So let's say if I change this to something else and set up this and send request, and let's render to see if we get some errors or not. So it says your credentials are invalid, so let's put some codes. As always, I am putting some codes to see if any errors occurs. So here we got an error and the page is loading. So let's change something else. Let's say it is actually SQL injection, so let's do something, and if I apply these changes and submit, let's see, we got 500 internal server error. So let's put in the double quotes and let's apply those changes and submit the form to see what's going to happen. We got 500 again. Let's remove the space, and the error might, I guess this is post request. So in the first request we are not saying encoding the URL data, we are not sending the URL encoded data. So let's remove this off. Let's and it is changed right here. Let's send this to see what's going to happen, and still we got 500. And let's encode this to see if we are getting what we are looking for. So still we got 500. Let's put some operators. Let's try and SQL operator. Let's set those and send the request. We got 300. Let's render the page to see what we got, and it's an invalid credential. Let's put our correct credential, which is the login as B. So let's put that and send a request, and here we saw the previous page. So it's not what we are looking for. Let's put the OR operator and let's submit the form. Then we got 200. So let's render to see what we got, and yes, here we go. We change the message, so it says welcome AIM, and which is not me, and how are you today, and your secret is lol. So and if we change something here, this is going to make some changes. Let's see. So let's wait for this. We got 200 again. We got the same message. So now let's send this request on. let's send this request to intruder proxy, and view this on the browser. So let's go to proxy, and instead of in the parameters, this is post request. Here let's change this to that one and apply the changes and forward this request to the browser. Let's go back to the browser, and yes, here we go. We successfully injected our code, which is just a simple one. Says this is my username, or 2 equal to 2, which returns true. So if we change the name here, let's change the name to something else to see if we are getting any error or something else. So here we got 200, and let's and here we got. So it doesn't matter, whatever you put here, it will show this message. So this is the secret of this guy. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.